today's resource person, Shri Acharya Bhardwaj, to speak on the artificial intelligence and data science. So on behalf of HSMA KCT Trust, I welcome all you, sir.
I'm very happy to be here. It's the first time I'm being in Gulbarga. Today we are going to discuss on data science and artificial intelligence. So if you want to enter into the software industry, is that you have to be updated all the time. The tools, technologies, it's not the same, right? It won't be the same for the next 5 years or 10 years. It keeps changing. So before talking about all the data science, AI and everything, what is data? Can anyone? Collection of information. Why is it important? Why the data is important? We always keep talking about it, data and all that, big data, data science, okay, analytics, data analytics. I can tell that way that in a way that analysis, you have to perform some analysis to come to a conclusion and to provide business decision. Yes, that's the purpose of data, right? We have data, and in the machine learning, in data, the data which is in the data in the world is approximately 85% of the data is unstructured, and hardly 15% is the structured data. When I say unstructured data, that could be from mails, that could be from your messages, even WhatsApp chats, emails and all that. So that is an unstructured data, and companies require data scientists who can analyze this data and give solutions or business outcomes from this data, which actually can only be done by the specialists, right? That's the reason you have to learn the technologies. Do you know that Google actually sells your data? Anyone of you? They actually sells our data. Yeah. Because if you search for something in your Flipkart, and if you go to a different website, you'll be getting the same ad in that website also. Why? And after that, if you from the same device, if you play, not only for the same device, if you change your device also, there will be your login and credentials and all that, your cookies, right? So you'll be getting the same ad displayed even between you playing the game. Why? They are targeting you. So it's a targeted advertisement. So I'm saying that data is that important. Companies are utilizing the data, okay, from this kind of companies like Google, and they are identifying the customer behavior. We'll be doing some analysis on this, and we'll be coming with, for them to understand it clearly, you'll be using a tool called Tableau. It's not just Tableau, there are alternatives for that, which is ClickView and Power BI and many other. And even in Python and all also you can get plots and all this, and you can do. But that's a better way to do dashboards and tell the management like this. So dear sir, so and so the person, this is what is going to happen. We have to produce these many number of vehicles in certain amount of time. Okay, so that will be a requirement by that time. So if I want to predict the score, for suppose tomorrow there is a match going to happen, and I predicted that India will hit 310 runs. Can that happen? I'm saying that India will score 310 tomorrow. Is there any chance? Why? Why not? They can know. So here the problem is, okay. Now if I say that India can score somewhere around 250 to 350, then how? Because probability associated with any single value is, what is that? Probability associated with any single value is 0, right? I can't say that if we launch a rocket, it will go in so and so days and so seconds and everything accurately, right? We can't decide that, no? So that is the reason we come up with a confidence interval. We give some certain 95% of confidence interval we will tell. And it's that 5% of time you can be wrong. That's okay. But there are some instances where you can't even neglect that 5%. Paid campaigns also will run for YouTube. Paid campaigns will be running. See, earlier there was no ads. Initially there were no ads. Suppose that ads were somewhere around 30 seconds. Now came to 5 seconds. And for ads, we have to wait for 5 seconds to skip it. So companies pay millions for that, for the 5 seconds. Because you can't skip for the 5 seconds. They'll charge for that as well. After that, you can skip. That's okay. I mean, they're okay for that. And one thing is marketing. You have to be short and crisp. They won't put you 2.5 to 3 minutes of any trial for you, do they? They have to catch the eye of the customer in within seconds. So whatever the product you do, or product or project or anything technology you do, end of the day marketing matters. Skills that you have to, presentation skills. See, if I forgot turning off the fan here. I go somewhere outside after 2 kilometers. I got exactly, not by remote I can say, mobile device, app installed in that. But how is that happening? So Internet of Things is nothing but connecting the devices with connecting billions of internet with internet, right? Only if there is internet I can off this, right? Actually, it's not only just internet, but we have something called Raspberry Pi kind of tools, right? These things on which we do some programming, and we have kit and all that. You all be knowing that, right?
Thank you for watching Go Hash. Like, share and subscribe our channel.